Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Make our final deed our greatest deed and make our final words La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. Put Allah first and yours never be last. Sometimes Allah destroys our plans before our plans destroy us. Ya Allah, my future is in your hands and I completely trust you. Only Allah knows what is best for you. Sabr is when your heart burns but you remain silent. Trust the timing, everything happens for a reason. Tawakkal. The next chapter of your life is going to be amazing. Tawakkal. Tell a tired heart that there is Allah. There is Allah. Dua can change everything in a blank. Are you okay? Alhamdulillah. Allah is always with me. Allah is always with me. Alhamdulillah. May Allah always keep you smiling. Always keep you smiling. Allah has the solution for all your problems. Please like and subscribe my channel. Jazakallah khairan.